Howdy, Mustangs. How are you doing this Wednesday? Can you read my pen? It's a lot of fun and sparkly. Hope you're having a great week for this hump day. You're halfway through this week, almost halfway through May, like I keep saying. Wow, we're finishing up fast. Today in Wit and Wisdom, you're going to read and annotate 8th inning, the 8th chapter. And you're going to talk about how the war impacted Negro League Baseball. Do you know what war was going on around that time in the 40s or so? World War II. So you're also going to have some vocabulary to write down. So make sure you stop the video when you need to so that you have time to write your vocabulary words. And make sure that you annotate and stop as you need to while Miss Killian reads or while you read. And fill out a notice and wonder chart for chapter 8 because you've got to have some evidence and some ideas. You'll also be working on a quick write and talk about integration of baseball and why was it separate and what kept it from getting integrated. Okay. In math, did you send me a Word doc yesterday, by the way? I hope you did. I'll get back to you with that too, with your edits or the things that you can work on, because the only way we learn is by messing things up so we can fix them. Problem solving today in math for 4th and 5th grade. So it's one problem. 5th graders, you have how many pairs of factors can you find that have a product of 3 and 12 100ths? And 4th graders, you have just one problem too that you're going to be working on today. 4 people share 1 pie. The first person takes a 4th, the second person takes a 3rd, the 3rd person takes 2 12ths. So you got to think about that. You're going to be converting fractions and thinking about how you can compare fractions. So that's something that is review for the 4th grade. Call and talk if you need to about it. The problem solving for 5th grade, it sounds like an easy one problem day, but just make sure you're really thinking about what does that problem ask me to do when I see it. It's just this one problem. You should really have someone to talk to with this. You could call each other 5th graders or you could call me. What do you think of when you're thinking of 3 and 12 100ths? What else do you notice? What have you noticed about that decimal point and how you can find factors of a number? All right, so let's make sure that we really work on those because it seems like when you have one problem, it should be quick, and it should be, but I want you really thinking and using your math brains because like I said, mistakes are what help us learn. So I'm sure I mess up all the time. You could share your quick write with me if you'd like. I'll be talking to you in email or whatever you need help with, just let me know and I will see you tomorrow.